Alright, good morning mga ka-journey. Ito na naman tayo. Bibigyan ko na naman kayo ng another verse for today. At ito ay tungkol from Psalm 112 verse 1. Okay? Praise the Lord, how joyful are those who fear the Lord and delight in obeying His commands. Yes, once again, that is from Psalm 112 verse 1. Okay, so, ayan, mga ka-journey, sana ay mapanood nyo ito at paki-follow na lang and share para sa lahat. Yan, maganda po kasi yung meron tayong mga wisdom, ayan, pagdating po sa Bible, okay, para ma-encourage din po natin yung iba. Right? Once again, that is from Psalm 112 verse 1. Okay? Ayan.